Hello all, my name is Arjun. Today I'm going to show you a VBA tool which is developed for managers and employee ratings tracking. So the screen which is showing the summary sheet where you can see two tables, one is for manager rating and other one is for employee rating. So here the manager ratings are entered for a employee number of employees, and the same number of employees as a rep ratings are entered. So there are three buttons you can here see that are VBA driven, and the first one is to insert a sheet for an employee. Suppose if I click on this, it will insert a rows for for one same rep 2 and rep 2 in the employee rating. It's rep 2 and here is mrep 2. So I'll say, even if you consider as an employee 1 or employee 2 like that, even that is also fine. So far I given here as a rep 1 and rep 2. So and suppose if I want to include a number of how many managers, how many employees I want to enter, that much time I can click the button. So then it says please enter the rep name in rep slash and mrep slash tab cell G1. So if you can see, there are multiple tabs are created, one for rep 3 and for m rep 3 like that, rep 2 and m rep 2. So that means one for employees 3, another for managers rating for employee 3. So it's saying like G1, right? If I go here you can enter the names called ABC, and the same thing I can come here and enter ABC. So if I go to the first sheet, it will come ABC both, right? So this is about inserting rows. And the next thing is send the sheet to employees. So there is a first the template based. This is the main template, how the rating sheet should looks like, and what metrics need to be covered, on what measures the rating should be given, like that. So this is the main sheet, and the same sheet is got duplicated for multiple times, as many times you click the button insert rows, the same sheet. So now what happens is, if I click on this send the sheet to employees, it sends this sheet rep 2 and rep 3 and rep 1 sheet to the respective employees. That means I need to enter here the email IDs. If I enter rep employee 1 email ID, employee 2 email ID, employee 3 email ID, it will send the this sheets to that employees, particular employees. Let's say if I click on this and paste the rep email ID in column D, you need to enter the email IDs, then click OK. So mail is generated. Check your Outlook draft folders. I'll go Outlook and check. See, here is, I already created few more, that is why it's showing this much, and there is a 3, you can see the 3 sheets are already in draft for rep 1, rep 2 and rep 3. So once everything looks fine, you can just send it. And after that, once the send to employees, what happens, the employee fills the rating and he sends back the email to manager. So the once manager collects all the employees rating sheet, then he'll put it in one folder. So for here I have given named as folder name reps. So based on this VBA, you can give any names and change it in the VBA. So what I will do, let's say for we now don't have replies, right? Like I'll just copy this. I'll copy this file and paste it here, like rep2, and you can copy all how much you want. Let's say ratings are also not entered here. I'll just enter one random ratings. Okay, fine. I'll just save this. So now it is copied. I'll just click on this because we already have folder reps. So I'll just copy this. Running, and ratings are copied to this workbook. See, here you say, because I entered in the one sheet of like random numbers, that's why it's giving 1%. Similarly, I think this is for rep 2, right? I'll go what the manager rating then. So I'll just give some 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, the same numbers will be replicated here. There are some calculation, that's why it's showing in a percentage. And here you can see it's refer to the mrep2 tabs, mrep3 tabs based on that. So now this is about copying the employees rating sheet, that's it. And now, and this here is the level 1, level 2, level 3, that is the this is a heat, like created based on like heat map table. So based on the percentage level the color will be changed, that you can do it anyway um, in this. And so now we'll check on the VBA part and how the VBA is created. And the first, this section is for generating the multiple tabs, that is for called mrep1, rep1, mrep2, rep2, like that. So this is written for that. I'll just scroll it down and see. And there is an hyperlink also, create hyperlink. So what happens, let's say if I click on mrep3, it'll go to the mrep3. It's all the formulas pasting in to the next row when you insert the rows, and the templates and everything, formats. And this is for the second tab, manager tab sections, tab creations. Okay, I'll just go from scroll up. The same, what are all the tabs in the rep, the same template will be copied in the mrep1 and mrep2. So first preparing that rep tab is important. The same sheet will be duplicated. Okay, and okay, so let's move on to the second module, where this section is sending an email to a rep. So so here you can see all the and email body preparation. And so mainly this email body preparation, right, what to write on the email body. Let's say if you had a look, please find the attached complete rating sheet, right? So here I have given like note tab. So here you can write subject 1, body, closings, and all those things. And the same is cell referent, and the same it's going to write it in the email body. Okay, this will keep the email draft, and it will throw the message box. And the next one is the third buttons, that's like copying the ratings. To copy the ratings, you'll open that folder name reps, and then find the sheet names, and then open that sheet, and then copy those sheet ratings into the respective tabs in the main in this workbook. And the third one is to clear the sheets. So if you look at in the sheets here, rep 2 or rep 1, any tabs, there is a clear data. So what it will do, it will erase the what the records you have entered. Let's say we have entered 1 right? I'll just clear on it. It's cleared like that. I hope this what I shown you understood in this video. And thanks for watching.